So you can see we have this chart. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can change MT5 PC chart from this chart to this one. So the first thing, if you don't have the app, you need to download it from your broker. Let's say that you are using Deriv, or you can just log in using the details of that you will be provided by the broker. So here is the first step you need to do. Let's say that you have these charts. So this is the normal chart that you will see. What you need to do, right click on your computer if you are using a mouse, and then you will see these options. Just choose on the properties, and then this is the chart. You can now edit it. So here the bar up is the bar which we have here. So you can just choose the bar up. You choose the color as blue if you like blue, and then the bar down you can choose red or whatever color you like. Then we have the candles now. The bull candle, you can choose blue, and then we have the bear candle. You can choose red, not green. Yeah, it is here, red, that way. So you can see we have this chart which looks familiar. Now I can just copy paste these settings to this chart, but I need to save them. So I just right click again, and then I go to the templates, save template, and then I just name that one the name I want. So I'll call it that way. Now if I want to transfer those settings here, I will right click again on that chart, just select that chart, and then right click, choose on the templates. Then we have load the template. Here you will choose the one that you saved just recently. So this is the one that I saved, and then after loading you can see the chart will come with those colors. So that is how you can set them. If you do not have a broker, check the broker that I have provided in the description section. Thanks for watching.